Hello everyone. Hope you are having a good day. I am Shubham. I am here with Kruthik and Vishal today to give you a brief introduction on Python library Sweetviz. Usually, EDA means exploratory data analysis takes a long time and a complex code, but with Sweetviz, the process is simplified. Sweetviz is an open source Python library that generates beautiful high density visualizations to kickstart EDA with just two lines of code. Output is fully self-contained HTML application. The system is built around quickly visualizing target values and comparing datasets. Its goal is to help quick analysis of target characteristics, training versus testing data, and other such data characterization tasks. Now Vishal will explain how to use Sweetviz in Jupyter Notebook.
Hello all, I am Vishal. Today I am going to explain few features of Python library Sweetviz. So the first step is to install Sweetviz, which can be done with a simple pip install code. We can see here we have written the code to install the Sweetviz. After the library has been installed, we have to import the data. We need data to do the EDA. So now let's import two datasets, a training set and a test set using the pandas. Import pandas as PD. We get the pandas library which we need to extract the data from the spreadsheet. Next is train data equals to pd.read_csv. Using this pd.read_csv, we obtain the data from the CSV file and store in the data frame named as train data. Same follows for the test data too. For step 3, it is very easy using Sweetviz. We can see that analyze report equals to sv.analyze train data, survive. We use sv.analyze to analyze the data which has two parameters, that is train data. Train data is a dataset which we are using to do the analysis, and survive is the target feature. Now we can see that Python has analyzed the data. Moving next, we can see that analyze report.showHTML. This .showHTML is used to display the output in the HTML file. Now we can see that the HTML page has opened up and there are various parameters. As we hover the mouse on each parameter, we can see there are different variables inside those parameters, and those are represented graphically in various formats. Now if we click on associations, a correlation matrix has been displayed. The box shape represents the categorical relation and the circular shape represents the numerical relation. Now Kruthik will explain the other features.
Hello, my name is Kruthik and I will be talking about the compare features in Sweetviz. So, Sweetviz has two types of compare. The first kind is the comparison between two datasets. In our case, we have the training set and the testing set. So, the syntax is simple. You write comparison report sv.compare. The first argument is for the first set and the second is for the second set, and then the target, and the next line of code is just to show the HTML. So let's go ahead and do it, and we get the HTML. So if once we open the HTML page, we can see that there is two divisions, blue and orange. Blue data represents training data and the orange represents test data. You can see various comparisons of these data in passenger, age, sex, class, names, the missing list. All the data is available here. So both the sets are compared. You can also see the correlation data. And that's it for the first type. The second type is intra-compare, which is between two populations within the same dataset, which in our case is the train dataset, and the two populations are male and female populations. Let's compare these populations and see how it affects the data. So this is the syntax sv.compare, the difference between this extra part here underscore intra and this we are splitting into two parts and the target. So this is the same. We hit go and we get this, the male data, female data. As you can see, the data varies a lot depending on male or female, which shows that there is effect by gender in the survivability. As you can see here, and we can also see the correlation data for both and in all the parameters. To conclude, Sweetviz is a Python library which saves a lot of time in doing EDA. Its primary features are analyze and compare, which generate reports within seconds and save a lot of time for the users in doing data analytics. Thank you and have a nice day.